Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video on Inshot application. Okay, here I have created a project on my Inshot application, and for instance, we're going to remove this object from this video. I want to remove this cup of coffee, I guess. Okay, so first of all, we can click on PIP option and import the same video as you imported before. And this is the video. I'm going to click on it, and you can tap on this autofill to fit the screen. All right, and we're gonna put mask to cover the unwanted object. You have to scroll all the way to the right until you find the mask option. Okay, and here you can select the type of the mask or the shape of the mask, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask, and I'm going to make the circle smaller. Okay, and we can take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object. And then click on the check mark. And after that, you can drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Okay, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Okay, and I think it's done. And click on the check mark button. And now let's just take a look at the final result. Okay, this is the result, guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video on Inshot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.